Hello there, happy Monday. Thanks for joining us on WXYZ.com. I'm meteorologist Denise Isaac. We started out on the chilly side with temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s, but now we are warming up ever so slowly, but under bright sunny skies. Our 7 first alert radar won't be tracking rain or snow this afternoon nor evening, but by tomorrow we are talking about light snow showers with a clipper system moving out of Canada. It will bring the chance for minor snow accumulations, mostly over the thumb and portions to our west. We won't pick up much. It will be less than half an inch. But things will quickly change here because we go today feeling more like spring, and tomorrow it's still in the 40s, but then we get that clipper, temperatures do drop, and the sunshine at least will continue. So for this afternoon, mostly sunny, 42, breezy, not as windy, but still gusts close to 20 miles per hour. Tonight dropping to 29, mostly clear. It stays dry and quiet under a high pressure. Tomorrow we're talking sun early, clouds in the afternoon, and then the chance for snow after 6 p.m. Valentine's Day looks nice, 43, but by Wednesday we're talking colder temperatures, 27 in the morning on Wednesday, warming up only to 34, very slight chance for snowfall. By Thursday still cold, 33, but the cold air won't last long. On Friday we're talking highs in the low 40s, and the weekend is spring fever, 50s and under mostly sunny skies. So start planning something outdoors. Have a great day.